What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be covering my own project and our upcoming mint on the 21st of December at 3 PM UTC in Nerdmas. But before we do that, if you like CNFTs and you like NFTs as a whole, I recommend you subscribing to this channel, and I'd appreciate it if you could like this video. And while you're at it, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT for CNFT news, CNFT updates, and just CNFT discussions. I'm more active on there than I am on YouTube, so make sure you follow me over here. So my own project, Nerds and Virgins, is having its second release in a seasonal release in Nerdmas. So if you're not familiar, the original set to this is Nerds and Virgins, which has 2,650 NFTs in circulation. We originally meant to mint 10,000 NFTs, but after 72 hours, we kept that promise and burnt whatever wasn't sold. So that's resulted in 2,650 NFTs, which is something I was happy with because the supply adequately matched the demand instead of having a surplus of NFTs. And then so after the original Nerds and Virgins sale in season 1, we have Nerdmas, which of course is a Christmas themed drop, given that it's that time of the year. This is a holder exclusive drop, so you have to own at least one original Nerds and Virgins NFT to get your hands on a Nerdmas NFT. This is working similar to Clay Nation and the Clay Good Charlotte drop in the way of that you'll be granted a Nerdmas NFT per nerd of version you hold. So say you hold 10 Nerds and Versions, you're allowed to mint 10 Nerdmas NFTs, and if you hold 6, you're allowed to mint 6. So it's on a 1-to-1 ratio depending on how many nerds you hold. This is a cheap fun mint at 15 ADA, and it's our way of rewarding holders. And as you can see, like season 1, the art is hilarious, and it's just something that I'm really fond of. Still plays on the nerdy, kind of sex-infatuated nerd, living in his mum's basement type thing, and I'm personally very happy with how everything turned out. And this is a drop that I'm very excited for. So we had a story for season 1, and we have a story for this seasonal release. Ho 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 Merry Nerdmas. It's Christmas time and the Nerds and Virgins are feeling festive. They only have one wish from Santa, and that's to get some action. Will their snowy white wish come true? So again, playing on that humour theme, continuing from season 1, which our community are very fond of, and it's really cool to see. So as seen on our website, you can see the Nerd Perks section, which is a series of rewards that you get for ownership. And you can see in season 1, you get exclusive access to limited releases, exclusive access to every season release, every season whitelist, and the chance of rewards via merchandise and physical collectible features. So what we've got coming in the future is physical collectibles as well as merchandise that, of course, only holders can get, and only holders can get rewarded. So say if this is your NFT, which I believe is Newbie's actually, shout out to you Newbie in our Discord. So say if this gets featured on a t-shirt or in a physical collectible, we will pay the owner of this a certain amount of ADA. And these perks are something that we're very open-minded about, and we're continually working on and discussing within our team and within our community, of course, which is something that we heavily value, and anyone in our community can attribute to this. So you know what you're getting with season 1. What about Nerdmas? Well, you get a whitelist for the next seasonal release and a chance to be airdropped Papa's prizes. So I'm not going to tell you what trait, but there is a trait that will be airdropped. A free Nerds and Virgins NFT or ADA, depending on your choice and depending on the community vote, but Papa's prizes will be live and in effect. So look out for that. One thing you might be thinking is, other than the prizes, what do we get for Nerdmas? Yeah, they look cool. Yeah, they're funny, but what do we get? This is a fun, festive drop that's very lighthearted and a cheap mint, but we'll be implementing a similar feature in this seasonal release with our next seasonal release as Yummy Universe are. So Yummy Universe are doing their Winter Narus, which is a Christmas themed Naru, which of course requires you to own one 10k Naru per spoopy you want to burn. So you have to own an original Naru NFT from their original 10k collection, and you have to own a spoopy NFT, which is their last seasonal release, and to get your hands on a Winter Naru, you have to send in your spoopy one, which will be burned. This is to decrease the supply and to add value to holding one of the 10k Narus. So with us, we haven't got this fully done yet, but that's how it would work as well. You know, you have to hold a Nerds and Virgins NFT per Nerdmas NFT you want to burn to get your hands on our next seasonal release, making it essential to own our original collection, and as well as making it essential to own our seasonal release in Nerdmas to get your hands on whatever our next season release is. It could be Valentine's Day, it could be Halloween, it could be Easter. You never know. So Nerdmas is something I'm really excited for, and I can't wait to see what you all get. And like our other drop, whatever doesn't sell in 24 hours and that is not claimed by holders will be burned. I'm not expecting all of these to be claimed, given that Clay Nation couldn't even claim the whole 10k set with their Good Charlotte NFTs. So whatever supply is, we're happy with. It's a fun, festive drop that has future plans. So that'll be it for 2021 for us. This is kind of our breakout year, and 2022 will have another busy year ahead. Not only with drops and stuff, but with competitions, community engagement, added utility. We're really trying to bring as much value to these NFTs as possible. And with the growth of my channel, this NFT collection will grow as well. So I'm confident in the success of this. So anyway, nerds and virgins, let me know. What do you think of Nerdmas? And let me know if you'll be minting one of these to support your boy, APE Crypto. I personally really like these, and some of these traits are hilarious, and I honestly like this set as much as Season 1 in terms of a visual look. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd also love for you guys to join our Discord and just to chat with me in there, whether it's to talk about my project or to talk about other projects. I'd just love to see you in there chatting with me. I appreciate all of you, and it would be great to get to know you all. If you want to find out more information about Nerdmas and my own project, Nerds and Virgins, I'll leave the link in the description for our website, our Discord, and our Twitter. So be sure to check that out. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this. I hope you found it valuable, and if you did, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and of course, hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.